Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on VIVO V40 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click install. Now you can click open. And you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and now you have to click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.